It's under the Editing Tool menu right up here at the top of the window. It's the second from the last button, and when you click on that, the Morphing tool comes up. Now this is a much more user-friendly way to do exactly what we just tried to do in another 3D program. And as soon as you open this window, you can see that wherever you select on the figure, it gets highlighted, and what we're seeing here are actually the points, the same polygon points that we saw in the other 3D program. And once we select one of these and then select either push or pull or smooth, we'll select push in this case, and we'll also select screen relative to the screen so that we have a bit more room to work with, and just simply move the tool, we will see that we are creating quite a bit of distortion within the program itself. So this allows you to create some very unusual effects very quickly.